morning, good afternoon, good evening, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm Stacy and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to today's video. So, I actually sat on this shoe. I actually was able to grab this shoe on an early release, and I sat on it for a while because I was like, do I really want to grab it? Do I not? Didn't know. So if you guys want to know what shoe this is that I picked up, stay tuned. Okay. All right. I was working. I was working. This is how a lot of these stories start. I'm working. I'm in the middle of work, and how these stories start off. I'm in the middle of working, and I get a pop-up on Unboxed that this particular shoe launched early on the app, on a different app. I'm not going to say what app it is because it's going to give away the shoe, which you guys probably already know what shoe it is because if you saw the freaking thumbnail. Anyway, just in case, I don't know how my thumbnail is going to go yet. So anyway, so I went ahead and, oh, I didn't even know that's how the box was going to come. Here is my invoice for the shoe. And, oh man, I didn't even know this is how the box was going to come. This is so cool. I'm just going to go ahead. I'm just going to show you guys the box. And you all can pretty much figure out what shoe it is. Here's the sides of the box. And the box comes in a sleeve, which is really cool. I didn't even realize how this was going to come. So, may as well just tell the story flat out. Unbox sent the link that, and the swoosh is on the actual little slip cover. That Undefeated had these shoes early. They had these and they had a different color early. It was like a week before the sneakers app launch. So I ran ahead and got them. Here is the inside of the box. Tissue paper has a bunch of, what are these? Air Force Ones? Yep, Air Force Ones. So let's read the tag. Air Force One Low SP. And the colorway is Polar Total Orange Multicolor. This is a men's 7.5, women's 9. As you all know, I wear women's 9. So I'm going to open the box. I have not seen these in person. I've only seen these in the pictures. So, oh man. Oh, they are even better in person. These are the Air Force One Undefeated Multicolor. Let me go ahead and pull the other shoe out. I'm sorry, these are the Total Orange. I said multicolor. They're actually called the Total Orange. Let me pull out both shoes. Wow. Put this box over here. And let's pull both shoes. Y'all know when I get speechless. Wow. Here's the shoes up front. And here's the inside of the shoe. Let me pull back. Here's the inside of the shoe. Back of the shoe. And outside of the shoe. And we're going to take the left shoe because we're lefties in this house. All right. So, the shoe comes with the extra lace that's in orange. And it has a kind of an off-white lace on the front. I don't know. I might switch this to the orange. I don't know. Because I like the lace that's in there. So we're going to see. Also up front, you're going to see that little Undefeated piece right there on the string. The Total Orange is going to be your shoestring. I believe your orange swooshies. And the orange right here on the tongue. Let me take out this. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up, y'all. Hold on. I was hearing something clinking. I heard a little jingle here on the string. I don't want to take the string all the way out. Oh, they even have a black one on the orange string. So if you switch out to the orange string, you can switch the Undefeated little placard. I guess it's called a placard. I don't know. And I just realized that I am far off the mic. Sorry about that, guys. I just realized it. My chair slides over for some reason. Anyway, you can change it out to the black so it can be seen. Let's see. All the other colors. You have a light blue going around the toe cap. You have a darker blue going around the laces, the eyelets. You have a red on the front part of the swoosh. And then you have a purple going to the back part of the swoosh. If I can get in right there, there's the Undefeated. That is their logo right there. On the back, you have, what does it say? Nike Air. You have Nike Air on the back in black. This shoe is an all patent shoe. White midsole, icy blue outsole. Your inside, you're going to have a bunch of little shoesies in there. Let me see if I can get the light. There we go. Got the light in there. We have little Air Force Ones with the Undefeated logo, and also it shows the size men's 7.5, which we all know I wear men's size 7.5, women's 9. I would take out the insole. Can I take out the insole? I don't like taking out insoles of shoes. Even to show, I don't like it because I don't want to screw up. Oh, wait. Actually, it is pretty easy to take out. So we want to take out the insole. We normally never take out an insole. Actually, nope. It's kind of hard to take out. So I'm going to leave that in. I'm going to leave that in right there. So, but this shoe is so freaking cute. And the funny thing is, I bought a sweater. You all already know you're going to see the sweater because I know I'm going to show that sweater. Even though we're in February, March. I don't know when this video is dropping. It is December as I film. It is February, March when you guys see it. So, yeah. Let's get to the styling portion so you guys can see what I put together with this. The full outfit is from Target, all from the Future Collective collection. Top is from the Kalana Barfield Brown last drop, and the cargo pants from Gabriella Carifa Johnson's first drop. The bag is from Stod, and this is a nice, this quick outfit. Here's the shoes up close. Yes, unfortunately, didn't know that the camera was a little blurry, but yeah, you could see that I switched the lace on the left shoe. You know me, I'm always here for a good lace swap. And the shoes are super colorful. They are extra comfy because, you know, Air Force Ones are comfortable. And I love that little pop of black on the back, and that icy blue sole is, oh, so nice. And for the second outfit, this is all from the Future Collective collection again. This is all from the Kalana Barfield Brown collection. The turtleneck is from her last drop. Jeans are from the first drop. The bag is from Rebecca Minkoff. Bag I've had for years. I picked up at, I want to say, Nordstrom Rack. So it's a nice, comfortable having to run errands outfit in the winter. And here's the shoes up close and personal one more time. I just love the way the shoe looks. Like I said, I always wanted a patent leather Air Force One, and this shoe fulfills it fully. Even with the different colors, I love a good colorful shoe. So yeah, this is something that I'm gonna wear all year round. Okay, I hope you guys like how I styled these shoes. These shoes are pretty easy to style. I mean, because you can pull any of the colors out of this shoe to make this shoe work. I really, really like this shoe. Let me pull this up for you one more time. This is the Nike Air Force One Low Undefeated Total Orange. The Total Orange is going to be on the swoosh, your extra laces, and also on the tongue with the Undefeated sign. Extra colors that comes with this is going to be a light blue around the toe cap. You have a pink toe cap. You have the red in front of the swoosh, purple behind the swoosh, in back of the swoosh, black Nike Air tab on the back. You have a white midsole, icy blue outsole. Your inside is going to have little Air Force Ones in there with the Undefeated symbol. And yeah, and this shoe comes with a off-white lace and also a orange lace. This shoe is really cute. I've been wanting a patent leather Air Force One for a while, and I've just been trying to find the right one. Yes, I have the Roman Empires or the Madder Root. Yeah, the Madder Root. I think they're called the Roman Empires. I have those, but they're not full patent, but these are full patent leather. These are fire. I cannot wait. It's weird me saying fire. I love these. These shoes are my these. I love these shoes. These are gonna be worn all year round, no doubt. Oh, also sock liner is in black. I forgot to tell that part. Your sock liner is in black. Oh man, I cannot wait to wear these shoes, man. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear these shoes. I'm gonna get out of here. I am on my lunch. I have 40 minutes, 15 seconds. Well, 40 minutes, 10 seconds basically, so I can go eat my food. If you guys like videos like this and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing are free of charge to everyone involved, including myself. Also, if you guys want to read something, go over to my blog, sneakersandhandbags.net. That's where I talk about a little bit of everything from sneakers, handbags, music, shoes, movies, home decor, and marketing because it started as a marketing blog. That is it. I'm gonna get out of here. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, talk to me below here on YouTube. And that is it. Links to these shoes, if I can find them, will be below. They'll probably be at Undefeated, their links, because I don't think the sneakers link, they may sell out on sneakers or they might even be over at Nike by this time. So we'll see. I'll put in as many links as I possibly can for you guys, and I'm gonna get out of here. Love, peace, hair products, tech, movie, music, sneakers, handbags, and all that fun stuff. Bye.